everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing a mystery box swap with Thrifty Alice. She's a fellow YouTuber and she also has a Poshmark page. Okay, so let's get started. First we have this beautiful top. I love the lace on it. The material is really soft. And it's by a company called Hot Project. I think it's a size large. I love the gathered sleeves. And it's a really nice item. Okay. So, up next, we have a beautiful skirt from American Eagle. It's a size extra large. I love the pattern on this skirt. And I love the tiers as well. Little flowers are really pretty. Very nice. Okay. Up next we have a pair of pants, if I can just get them. We have a pair of pants by Coral Bay, and these are new with tags. The size is 16 wide, and they're mid-rise, and I love the color of these. Really pretty. Nice to the touch as well. As you can see, they've got a hidden elastic waist. Yep. That was a really nice item. Okay, up next we're going to be doing some jewelry pieces. And here we are, our first jewelry item. A pair of earrings by Stamp 10. And I love that they say Hope on there, and I love the butterflies. Very beautiful. Up next we have this very beautiful and elaborate pin by Spoon Teaks. Very beautiful. I love all the little animals, and I'll be keeping this item. Very nice. Thank you, Thrifty Alice. And by the way, you can look at all of Thrifty Alice's information. You can check out her Poshmark and her YouTube channel if you look at the description down below. Our last item now is this beautiful gold tone ring with an elephant on it, and it has some CZs. It's a size 6. I think this is my favorite item from today's haul. Let's try it on. Very pretty. Okay, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to Thrifty Alice's channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye. See you next time.